Welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create. This is my first video, so if you find anything unusual like the sound or any other thing, please bear with me. So guys, today's video is going to be an online video in the sense that I got a lot of stuff from AliExpress, and I know a lot of people have a lot of questions on how to get things from AliExpress, especially in Nigeria. So I got stuff from AliExpress and they came in like nylons, already unboxed. I already nyloned like some of them because I was too eager. So they came in nylons, and that's why I named my video an onlining video. So I'm going to be showing you the stuff I got and if they are to my satisfaction. So the first stuff I'm going to be showing you is my tripod. I got a tripod and it was like the heaviest thing I got. It's really cool. I lined on already, so just going to be showing you guys. I love it. Like I'm super excited about it because though I was feeling that it's very light, but I guess it gets the job done. I guess I have to figure out how it works. This is cool, but it's really light though. But we get the job done. Who cares? Then next was this stuff I got. I got this mold for Popsicle and it came with a set of sticks. So I'll be leaving in the description box all the things I got and the particular stores I got them from. I'll leave them in the description box. I also got this set of chains from them. Then what else? I got this set of essential oils. And it has different flavors like rosemary, a lot of flavors, lemon. Just smell this. Oh guys, this smells really nice. I'm going to love it. What else did I get? I got a makeup brush, just like a foundation brush. It's cool, not that bad. I think the stuffs are okay. Then I got this too, powder puff. I got a pack of 4. Yeah, it smells awkward. I got another set of popsicle stick. I was not sure if the mold was going to come with popsicle stick, so I got this colored one. But they're so small. I expected them to be like bigger than this. I don't know why they're this small anyway, but I guess it's fine. Then yeah, I got this set of shower caps, disposable shower caps. See, for my hair, I'm a natural, so I always like to deep condition my hair, and this is like best for heat and any other thing. I got a lot of it. This is like a pack of 100. So what else did I get? I got myself a board. But it's small though. I expected it to be bigger than it is, but I guess for the amount it's fine. The cotton mats. Then I also got myself bracelet. I'm so excited about this because it smells like real leather. It's really cool. I think I still have like 2 more stuffs coming in, but this is really cool. Like, from what I've heard from AliExpress, like this is okay, and it's free shipping. Guys, these are my 5 tips on how to order from AliExpress, what to do and what not to do when you're ordering from AliExpress. Tip number 1, make sure you have a budget. So as it is, whether you're a man or a lady or a woman or a girl, whenever you are shopping, you know how it is now. You always want to buy and buy and buy and buy and buy, and you forget yourself. So the best thing to do, or the way to curb this habit, is to have a budget. So when I was buying these stuffs, I had a budget of of I think 20 or 15k. So have like a budget so that you don't go above that budget, and you can also do like a trial to know if your goods will actually come. So my aunt that bought and convinced me said the first time she ordered, she bought just stuff worth 500, and I was like just 500. So you can do something like that just for a start to tip number 2, take advantage of the free shipping. There are a lot of goods that have free shipping, so ensure that what you're buying has like free shipping. All these goods, like all of them, all the goods I got, they're all free shipping. They're shipped to me freely, all of them. So I checked that they had free shipping, and also to ensure that I was sure that I was getting the right thing, I made sure that I went through the seller's feedback. So you should do that too. Go through the seller's feedback, check that the seller actually ships to whosoever buys from them. Also, you can also check if the seller has shipped to your country before. It's like a Nigerian flag there that will show if the seller shipped to your country. So check the comments of those people, see what they've written about the seller. Number 3, ensure that you put down the correct address, because you really don't want your stuff to get into Nigeria, then there's no way to trace you. Ensure that you put a correct and a traceable address, because what they mostly do is send your goods to the post office closest to your address. I used my office at Yaba as my address because I'm there like most of the time, so I used that as my address. So they sent my goods to the post office at Savo, and I was really impressed with their services because they kept on calling me like every day to come and pick up my stuff, and I didn't want to go and pick up my stuff because I felt that all my stuff had not arrived yet. So they kept on calling to come and pick up my stuff. I just had to go because they were like calling me like literally every day. I'm like, what? But when you go there, you will have to pay depending on how heavy your stuff is. So you might have to pay 500 or 600 or something, and it's better when your stuff like arrives together, then you can pay like you just pay everything once instead of having to pay little by little. Tip number 4, always check your protection purchase. So there's this protection purchase that activates whenever you order for stuff. When you order for it, then the protection purchase activates until the seller delivers your stuff. So once you see that it is 20 days or 23 days, I advise, and you've not gotten your stuff yet, I advise that you send a message to the seller so that the seller either extends the time of the purchase, or the seller informs you that your good is already in your country and you should get it soon. But it's advisable that the seller just extends the purchase, and be sure that if the seller does not extend the purchase and it looks as if it's going to expire, be quick to open a dispute so that you can get your money back. And tip number 5, last but not the least tip, be prepared to wait. You have to wait for your stuff, man. It's free shipping, so what do you expect? You have to wait like a long while for your stuff to get to Nigeria. I ordered for these stuffs Black Friday, so that's like since ending of November, and they're just coming in January. I think that's fair enough since it's free shipping. So guys, that is my 5 tips on how to order from AliExpress. If you have any other question, you can leave them in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer them. Also, I'm going to leave a link to all the stuff I bought from AliExpress in the description, but especially those that came in, those are the ones I'm going to leave in, so that way I'm sure that you actually get your goods if you want to buy some of the things I bought. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.
Hi.